Hello everyone. Thanks for joining us for this video on India's first to be listed food tech company. This is your opportunity to find out whether to invest in this tech business or not. Let's take a look at the IPO details.
The net IPO size is Rs 9,375 crores
At the higher end of the price band of Rs 76 per share. The IPO consists of fresh issue of Rs 9,000 crores and offer for sale of shares amounting to Rs 375 crores. The issue opens on 14th of July 2021 and closes on 16th of July 2021. The price band is Rs 72 to Rs 76 per share and the bid lot is 195 shares. Post the issue, the market cap of the company will be Rs 59,623 crores at the upper end of the price band, and the shares are likely to be listed on the exchanges on 27th of July 2021. So what does the company do? Zomato is one of the leading food services platforms in India in terms of value of food sold as of March 31st, 2021. Their technology platform connects customers, restaurant partners and delivery partners. They have two core business-to-customer offerings, namely food delivery and dining out, business-to-business service Hyperpure, which provides procurement solution for restaurants, and customer loyalty program Zomato Pro. They make money from commission charges and advertisement fees for both delivery as well as dining out. As of last fiscal, they were present in 525 cities in India with 3,89,932 active restaurant listings, and they have presence in 23 countries outside India. Its own curated content and that added by customers attracts additional customers to platform and generates new business. This in turn leads to more orders and then resulting in more restaurants joining the platforms. The wheel keeps on going and going, and the restaurants also adding delivery services. This is called the network effect. Zomato is a technology-first organization leveraging AI, machine learning and deep data science to continuously drive innovations on their platform for all stakeholders. The precise and real-time demand forecasting, fleet optimization and intelligent dispatch technology optimizes matching of orders and delivery partners using machine learning. Their brand is synonymous with food, and Zomato has a strong brand name and recall across large and small Indian cities. Its revenue from operation increased from Rs 1,312.59 crores in FY19 to Rs 2,604.74 crores in FY20, but declined to Rs 1,993.79 crores in FY21 due to a COVID-19-led decline in food delivery business. Dining out services were also severely impacted by resultant lockdowns in India. However, losses came down to Rs 2,386 crores in FY20 to Rs 816 crores due to cost control measures and better unit economics. The COVID-19 pandemic has had an impact and could further impact its business, as most restaurant establishments had temporarily closed operations in the initial period of the pandemic, and the dining out business was again affected with the second lockdown. Failure to retain existing restaurant partners, customers or delivery partners can affect the volumes and value of business conducted on its platform. Similarly, failure to add more ecosystem partners would be negative from growth perspective. At the upper end of the price band, the Zomato is valued at 29.9x its FY21 revenues. Although this is at a premium to other international players, the growth prospects remain strong. Moreover, considering the high barriers to entry and duopoly in the industry, the valuations are justified, and hence we recommend subscribe to long-term investors.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.